ComfyUI on Windows 11, from a clean machine to generating in the browser. Every command is in the description. Here's the goal. ComfyUI serving in the browser on port 8188 and starting by itself with Windows. First, the prerequisites. The Visual C++ redistributable is a set of runtime libraries a lot of Python packages expect. Run it, agree, and install. Next, Python. From python.org, grab the Python install manager. Run it and let it pull the current CPython. We'll pin the exact version in a moment. Then Git. One command through winget, Microsoft's package manager. Now the trap. In this same window, Git isn't recognized. Installers update the path, but only new terminals pick it up. Open a fresh PowerShell and Git answers. One more Python step. The manager grabbed 3.14, but ComfyUI wants 3.13. So install that one alongside it. And check the execution policy. The current user needs remote-signed or PowerShell refuses to run the activate script. Clone ComfyUI at the root of C. A short path avoids Windows' long path headaches later. Create the environment with the pinned 3.13 and activate it. The venv prefix means everything now installs into this folder, not into the system. Verify the machine can see the GPU. An RTX 90 on driver 591, CUDA 13.1. That's the build PyTorch has to match. Install PyTorch CUDA build from the CUDA index. A plain install silently gives CPU only wheels. Then the requirements file pulls the rest. Now start it, with the listen flag so other machines on the network can reach it. It finds the 3090 and the server comes up. Open localhost 8188 and ComfyUI is live. Updating later is just get, check status, and pull. Already up to date. Last, auto start. Open Task Scheduler and create a task called ComfyUI so it launches without you. Run whether the user is logged on or not, with the highest privileges. That makes it a real background service. Trigger it at system startup. The action. Start a program, and the program is the venv's own Python, so the task uses the right environment. With the listen flag as the argument, starting in the ComfyUI folder. Save it, run it once to test, and ComfyUI now boots with the machine. If you have any questions, comment below. See you in the next one.